Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to use data validation rules in Google Sheets. In this example, I have a column called Date Submitted, which records when students turn in their assignments. Let's set a rule so this column only accepts dates on or before the due date. First, select the cells under the Date Submitted column. Then, go to the top menu and click Data and Data Validation. On the right side, click Add Rule. Under Criteria, choose Date is Before. Then, enter the due date. Let's say January 10, 2025. Next, under Advanced Options, decide how invalid data should be handled. You can either show a warning or reject the input. Now, if someone tries to enter a date after January 10 or type something that isn't a date, the rule will activate. Depending on your settings, it will either display a warning or reject the entry. Once you're done, click Done, and the validation will apply to the Date Submitted column. This way, you can make sure all student submissions are properly recorded on or before the deadline.